Hey everybody, went up to Target, picked up a blaster box of Goodwin Champions. I actually went up to get some football cards for a potential break we've got coming up, but ended up buying some Allen and Ginter, some Goodwin Champions, and then they had some Bowman Platinum, so I picked that up too. So let's see, this opens from the side. Let's see what we get out of this. I like Allen Ginter, but I like the Upper Deck Goodwin Champions. We pulled some interesting cards out of Hobby. We did a couple Hobby boxes, so I don't know how we'll do out of this, but if I can't get the packs open, then we're gonna do horrible. It's one of the thing, man, about Upper Deck. They just make it really difficult. I don't know what the odds of pulling something out of Michael Jordan. Okay. Whole lot of not much in there. Oh, we got a cool card in this one. Got us a Don Mattingly card. Larry Bird. There he is. Good old Don Mattingly. And then there's our short print. Number 195 for John Montgomery Ward. So we've got Larry Bird and Michael Jordan. 2 packs, 2 basketball legends. Now we need some baseball and some, I don't know. Uh-oh, Julius Erving. It's all basketball. We got Ryan Sandberg. I can't see that. Oh, Iserman. We've got a black of AJ Green and then Julius Erving. Check out that afro. For those of you wondering, this is not a parody break. I'm not faking this one. This is real. So if we pull the Babe Ruth cut auto, it's actually the real one. Randy Couture, Tyson Gay, Edgar Allan Poe short print, number 183, and then Rube Waddell. The Couture card looks pretty cool. I wonder if those lightning cards and etymology and all that, I wonder if those are hobby only. Got a John Elway, so we got some football going on in this one. Let's see here. It's Raymond Moria, baseball, John Elway. They just released the odds on their sports royalty, and man, those odds were crazy. Like 50 cases to get one. So maybe we'll hit one. Westbrook, Michelle Y, Charles Darwin. I don't know if it's Y or we. It's Michelle anyway. Darwin's a short print. Let's see if they say on here. Memorabilia 1 in 96. Autograph 1 in 480. So that's like 48. 1 in 48 of these boxes. Well, oh well. What are you going to do, right? Let's see here. Got a black mini. Can't read it. Howie Moran's hockey. Abby Wambach. Pretty cool card. Bubba Watson. Looks like Bob Fitzsimmons. Yeah, Bob Fitzsimmons. Short print. Looks like a Cam Newton card. The mini is Troy Aikman. 3 packs left. We better hit something pretty amazing here pretty quick. Otherwise, it's you guys' fault. Harry Houdini. Alright. That's pretty good. That's worth the $20 right there. And then Goodwin Citizens Mahatma Gandhi. So we pulled a Houdini. Houdini pulled a Houdini, so it's not bad. Second one I pulled, actually. Dennis Rodman. Hunter Mahan. It's Matt Posque in lacrosse. And last pack here. Doesn't look like we hit anything. Got a short print here of Harry Truman. So Harry Truman and Harry Houdini. Clearly the Houdini is the better card. But there we are. Hard to beat that break right there, guys. I don't know. I do not know what to tell you, but that's pretty impressive. Alright, guys. Talk to you later.